guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia with Expressions of Grace. How are you guys doing? I hope that y'all are having an amazing Tuesday afternoon. It is Tuesday at the time that I am doing this recording, doing this voiceover. And this is just a quick cake box concept that I am doing for Valentine's Day. I am so behind, you guys, but I'm gonna knock it out. I'm gonna knock these gifts out as fast as I can. I'm not doing like a whole lot of multiples because I generally don't have the inventory to do like a lot of multiples. I can do like 2, maybe 3, because I'll have same or similar items that many times. But for the most part, I don't mind that. Like I love doing different concepts. I love doing Valentine's Day. I love doing unique things, different things. And so this is not unique by any stretch of the imagination, but I love the look of the cake box with whether it's a plush bear or a rose bear and some other items in it. And so this is the first time I'm doing a concept like this. So I was super excited to find these cake boxes. They came in a set of 3 from Temu. They are a decent size. I was able to put the regular size rose bear in there along with some Bath and Body Works minis, and I probably could have put the full size set in there as well, but I was just using what I had in terms of color and coordination and stuff like that, and I think the minis worked well. And then I used also one of the small candles that we got from Dollar Tree when they were selling them for 25 cents. So that's pretty much the concept. I'm using the faux rose petals instead of shred or tulle or anything else to kind of enhance the bottom of the container or the cake box. So that's what it's looking like. Like I said, I was excited to find cake boxes from Temu for a decent price. And when they came, I was a little bit worried because I had ordered cake boxes from them in the past, similar to these. They were larger actually, and they came all dented, and so I was very disappointed and turned off. And I had returned them, but I've just always liked the look of these, the way these cake boxes look with the rose bear or a plush bear or whatever. So I really wanted to do at least one, and so I was able to get 3 for a decent price. And when I had checked on Amazon, they were a little bit pricey, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna leave it alone. But I was happy to find them on Temu for a decent price. And so I'm going to be doing 3 of these concepts. I have enough of the rose bears, and I figure they'll be different colors. And so I like the look of it. So I'm excited for that. And I am wrapping my ribbon around the box. And the box does have, at least at the base of the box, it has like these cutouts or grooves where you can put your ribbon in. And that made it a little bit easier, to secure the ribbon. And I just I tied it once at the top and then use a piece of tape to kind of tape it down and then do another knot. And then I will make my bow and attach it to, that's me just pulling it really tight. And then I'll make my bow and then attach it to those tails on there. So I really love the way it turned out. That's just me matching up the ribbon and getting my bow, choosing my ribbon for my bow. So I love the way the gift turned out. I am a little bit behind when it comes to Valentine's Day, but I'm not too worried. I do have quite a few gifts. So all the gifts that I'm making right now are really catered to Valentine's Day. So I'm doing a few floral gifts. I just love to do those. I'm doing some, I'll be doing some candy bouquets and stuff like that. Little things that I've done in the past, and were well received by folks in my area. So I'm looking forward to having a good Valentine's Day. I am claiming it. I am thanking God in advance for it. Yeah, I know that it's going to be well, and I'm praying that all of us in this community do really, really well. We know that Valentine's Day is a huge holiday for basket makers, and so I am really praying our strength, and I am praying our endurance, and I am praying that God just covers us, breathe upon our gifts as we are making them and before we go out to sell. I'm just really praying that God shows up for us. I mean, we're doing this because we want to make money. We need to make money. Some of us really, really need a miracle, So I'm really praying that God shows up for us in the way that we need him to show up for us individually. And I'm just praying blessings over our business as we continue to get ready for the season. I trust that it will be an amazing one. So I've made the bow, and I'm now just, I use a zip tie, and then I'm going to attach it to the tail that is already on the box. So I just tie it on there and make it easier. All right, just slid it right on there, tighten the zip tie, and I'm good to go. And then that's pretty much it. It turned out beautiful. Like I said, I loved the bow. I loved the way everything turned out. Thank you guys so much for checking this video out. I noticed that I have gotten some new subscribers. Thank you so much for, choosing to subscribe to my channel and to be a part of this little community. So again, I want to say thank you for watching. Those of you, thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, you guys. I am creeping up. I'm creeping up to 1,500 subscribers. I'm almost there. But I do appreciate each and every one of you. That is the final look of the gift with the bow complete. And so thank you so much again for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, hyping, whatever you do. I do so appreciate it. Until the next video, guys. Shalom, shalom.